Hello everyone. Today I will show you that how can you convert any normal image or photo to WhatsApp sticker without using any application. So it's very simple. Like I have this photo and I want to make this a WhatsApp sticker. So it's very simple in the iPhone. So all you need to do is iOS 16 or above in your iPhone and you can do it easily. So let's start. Just tap and hold on the subject of the image. Now it will be automatically cropped and you have to just copy it from here. And now open the WhatsApp and go to any chat and just paste it here. And now click on send. And now you can see it is sent as a sticker on WhatsApp. And you can also do is just tap on the sticker and click on add to favorites. Now if you go to your stickers, then you can also view it on your stickers and you can send it from here. You do not have to forward it. So this is how you can convert any image or photo to the WhatsApp sticker without using any third party application. Thank you everyone.